Hello everyone, today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Nokia 105 2024 and Nokia 106 4G 2023. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two mobiles come with dual SIM. Next compare display features. Nokia 105 2024 comes with 2 inches TFT LCD display, and the Nokia 106 4G comes with 1.8 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.